Look at your phone, your laptop, your smart speaker. Every single one of them has a unique identifier on the internet, an IP address. And believe it or not, the system we've used for decades, called IPv4, is completely running out of them. So, what happens next? Welcome back. Today, we're demystifying the essential upgrade keeping the internet alive. The move from IPv4 to IPv6. And I promise, it's way more interesting than it sounds. First, let's break down the basics. Think of an IP address like your device's mailing address. It's how data finds its way to you, like a letter finding your home. The old standard, IPv4, uses an address that looks like this. 4 numbers separated by dots, for example, 192.168.1.1. The problem? This format only allows for about 4.3 billion unique combinations. That might sound like a lot, but with billions of people, each with multiple devices, we ran out years ago. This is the IPv4 exhaustion crisis. We've been patching the problem with clever tech called NAT, which lets a whole house or office share one public address, like an apartment building with one street number. But it's a workaround, not a solution. It adds complexity and can slow things down. So, enter the hero, IPv6. This is the new standard. Instead of 4 decimal numbers, an IPv6 address looks like this: 8 groups of numbers and letters. For example, 2001, 0 decibels, 8 to 85, a 3. It's longer, yes. But here's the mind-blowing part. IPv6 provides over 340 undecillion addresses. That's a 34 followed by 37 zeros. To put that in perspective, if every grain of sand on Earth needed an IP address, IPv4 could only cover a small beach. IPv6 could give an address to every grain of sand in 1,000 solar systems. We will literally never run out. And it's not just about quantity. IPv6 is a better designed system. It has simpler, more efficient routing, which can mean speedier connections. Security is baked into its foundation, and devices can configure their own addresses easily, making your smart home gadgets play nicer together. Now, you might be thinking, if it's so great, why isn't everyone using it yet? Excellent question. The entire global internet is a massive legacy machine. Updating every router, every server takes time and money. We're in a long transition period. Most likely, your home network and your internet provider are running what's called dual stack, using both IPv4 and IPv6 at the same time to make sure everything still works. So, what does this mean for you? For most of us, it's a silent background upgrade. You don't need to do anything, but this transition is absolutely critical. It's what allows the Internet of Things to grow, ensures everyone can stay connected, and future-proofs the web for the next century. IPv6 isn't just an alternative, it's the inevitable next chapter of the internet.